My mirrored fireplace is something that I created. This mirrored fireplace is a very unique item. I created it myself. Let me share what I did to get this result. So this is what I did. I took a mirrored console table, just like this. You usually could find this on Wayfair. Target used to sell something like this. Maybe even Amazon, I don't know. But you get a mirrored console table. The mirrored console table, you can create it if it has 2 levels here, just like this, okay? Okay, now that you have your mirrored console table, you will go and get an electrical fireplace. All right, one that plugs directly into the wall. This is all of the items that comes with the electrical fireplace. Here are the feet. In this particular project, we do not need these feet, okay? They are just there. It also comes with crystal for my particular one. And it does come with this base as well. We do not need this either. This is for the heat setting. You never ever want to use the heat setting with this because you do not have the feet to elevate the heat to circulate around. So this is just for ambiance lighting. It also comes with a remote, which is very, very convenient. Okay? My particular fireplace comes with all these features. I did purchase mine from Big Lots, but again, you can go online and find your inserts. This is what it looks like right here. Okay? Okay, so you see how easy it was. I just slid the insert inside of the mirrored table. It works out perfectly. This is a 42-inch fireplace. Let's plug it up. So happy I have a plug right behind the fireplace. Again, it do come with a remote. It comes with a remote, but you also can work the functions on the side. So just push it on. The final result with the crystals that it comes with. It comes with these little pebbles, so you just add them into the fireplace before you insert it, and this is your result. I hope this helped. I had so many inquiries about how I created my mirrored fireplace. I need to patent this design. But I hope you guys enjoy. If you do create this, make sure you tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my name below. I would love to see if you guys created it. I had so many people say they would redo it. Okay. Oh, one more note, do not cut the heat setting on because it's not elevated. Now if you get a bigger fireplace, a bigger mirrored console table, or maybe a smaller insert, and you're able to put the feet on there, then I would recommend putting the heat on. But this is only for the ambiance lighting, so I do not recommend the heat, okay, without the feet on the bottom of the fireplace. Alrighty, you guys, let's talk about these LED strip that I have on the top of my bed. Again, okay, so on the top of the bed, it's just stuck down with the existing tape that it comes with. It comes with double-sided tape, or you know, it's already made on there. You just peel it off and stick it directly on to your bed. Now the key is I have this little slot on the side of my bed, so I'm able to put the controller where I'm able to cut it on and off. So I just point the remote directly there and it cuts it off. So it's right here in the corner of my bed. You really don't ever notice it. So that's how I'm able to, you know, cut it on and off, change the colors and all that good stuff. You are able to cut, you look right here on the strip, you see those are scissor lines. I don't want to cut these, so I just left them and just wrapped it around the bed. I could have cut it and made it the perfect size, but this doesn't bother me seeing that there, so I don't think nothing of it, and I can always reuse them when I'm tired of them being on my bed. And so they even hang down the back of my bed as well, so it's a pretty long this is the ending point. I have the box stuck on the back of the bed as well. The plug, you probably can't see it, but it's back. It's a plug. You see the tags and stuff? It's just stuck on the back of the bed, just like that. So that's it. I get so many inquiries about the lighting, you know, this LED strips. You can find them on Amazon. This particular one came out of Lowe's, but definitely will be cheaper on Amazon. You're able to change colors, whatever you want. It's really cool at night. So yeah, I hope this helps. I hope this helps. Okay, I'm gonna turn this mirror into this picture frame right here. So what I did was, on the back, you have to take all this paper off. And then you remove all of these staples. It's easier if you just give it to the frame department to do it. But since I've done it a few times, I kind of know what I'm doing. So you take all the staples out, and then your mirror is in there with some glue. You get some scissors or a razor or whatever and take this glue away. And then this is the mirror after it's been removed out the frame. And then you get a piece of glass cut and assemble it. Now I'm about to take these posters. So now I'm about to take these posters here and try to create some artwork for the frame and then put it on the wall. That's that simple. But it's much easier if you just give them your mirror at the framing department at the craft store, and then they will put it in, and then you can even add a mat board and all that stuff. But this I turned in and they did it for me, but I'm able to just do it myself. So that's that.